So I was in Napa a few weekends ago, and I was doing some wine tasting, and I came across this street fair where people were selling their wares, and one of the booths there caught my attention. It was called the BumperBar. It's this portable bar system that you can set up anywhere. I decided I wanted to get one, but they were all sold out of the stock that they had there. But the guy said he could ship one to me. So that box came today, and I thought, let's do an unboxing. Let's see what's inside. Let's look at the quality of this thing. Let's see what this BumperBar can do. Here we go. Okay, so we got the box here on the table, and now we're going to open it up. I don't remember the BumperBar being this big. And oh, that's right. No, this is the Wingman. So we got two separate things here. We got the BumperBar and the Wingman. Wingman was an extra thing that I got. Sits next to the BumperBar, adds extra space. Got an ice bucket and ice scoop. So anyway, I'm excited to get this open. So let's get our cutting. Let's separate the BumperBar and the Wingman, since they were shipped together, which is a really good idea too, rather than having two separate boxes. So, there we go. So we're going to take this, and we're going to put the Wingman, we'll just put it aside right there for right now, and we'll concentrate on the BumperBar. The package on the top. Great job at keeping this together. Oh, okay, so it's got some styrofoam here. That's awesome. So let's take the styrofoam out, and what should we do with it? Let's put it over here. You pull the BumperBar out of the box. Oh, what a great, it's packed really nicely, that's for sure. So this is the BumperBar right here. Oh, it's great, because you got the box inside, you got a box for the box inside. So this, I guess, would be the retail box. Excellent. So let's, oh, cool. Got a little sticker right here. See a little sticker? So we're going to cut right through the sticker. And then this thing should definitely want to preserve this box, because it's got a nice little handle on the top here that you can use to carry the BumperBar in to a party. So let's take it by the handle inside. Oh, yeah, that's it. Oh, wow. The hardware on this thing looks just incredible. So let's, we'll put this aside over here, and we'll take the retail box and we'll put it over here for right now. This is a piece of art. Wow. Very, very nicely done. And I'm looking at these latches. They're made very, very well. So let's see, I guess you open it this way. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I see. Turn it around this way so the BumperBar is facing you, and you open it that way. Now you got all your goodies inside. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, incredible. These little hinges here are flat. They don't have they're not raised over the wood. Incredible. So, and as you can see, it's got these tapered sides. It goes from bigger to smaller down here so that you can have your bottles and mixers and things in there. And then here, well, let's just get this all out, because I'm excited to see how this all works. So this looks like it is oh yeah, this is a garnish tray. So it's got a little freshness, sneeze guard, whatever, and it's got these little individual holders for all your garnishes, olives, cherries, lemons, limes, anything that you want. So let's put that right there. And, oh, okay, what's this? Let's take this out. Oh, the bar caddy, it looks like. Oh, yeah. Little umbrellas. And we've got it comes with a paint, a little furniture paint, and a pen that will allow you to, if you get any scratches on your BumperBar, it matches it so you can actually fix any blemishes. That's awesome. We got some toothpicks. And they said, yeah, it comes with lots of little accessories. So we got some more stickers, BumperBar stickers, so you could plaster your town and say, hey, what's a BumperBar? What's in here? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. Got a bottle opener, a wine opener, little knife. Perfect. And then, cool, hey, that's awesome, BumperBar napkins. Excellent. You've got your silicone bar mat. You know how, let's say you're out tailgating or you're at a party somewhere and you're mixing drinks and things spill. Instead of spilling on other things like wood or plastic or your tailgate or whatever, this comes with a silicone bar mat that can be washed. And it looks like, oh wow, what a great idea. Look at this. It comes in a bag that is got a zipper on it that you can reseal. So I bet you, like, if this gets dirty, you can put it in here so you don't get it all dirty inside there. Take it home, wash it. We'll have to read the instructions. It's probably dishwasher safe. I just bet you wouldn't want to dry it with heated dry. So, wow. Cool. Got some paperwork in here. Thank you for joining the Bumper Bar family. Your Bumper Bar is handmade from natural materials with great care. It looks that way. So this is the Bumper Bar. So I could see you could probably, you got your bottles and your alcohol bottles or your Coke bottles and your mixers and cups and all that kind of stuff. So that is the Bumper Bar. And let's get the Wingman out and check that out. So I got the Wingman here on the table. This is another part of the Bumper Bar. It's sold separately. When they shipped it, they packed it all together, which was awesome. So let's open this up. This has got, I guess, the ice tray. It's got an ice scoop and I think a cutting board as well. Oh yeah. So another retail box. I bet you this has got a handle on it too, just like the other one, so you can carry it into a party and then go, hey everybody, what's that? And go, oh, I brought the bar, right? Does it have a sticker that I need to cut too? Or, no, doesn't look like it. Oh yeah, it does. Got a little sticker to hold it together. Gonna cut that carefully because I want to use this box, obviously. There we go. Cool. Take it out. So, oh yeah, so it's a smaller version of the Bumper Bar. It's the same material, perfectly match the colors of it. So I bet you we'd open it the same way we did the Bumper Bar. We'd turn the actual label, this label right here, towards you and open it up this way. And yep, there it is, the ice bucket. Oh, and it's all put together. There, the ice bucket, the ice scoop. I love it. Cutting board. Oh, that cutting board's cool. It's got kind of corrugated a little bit there. So if I remember correctly, so this is what you do. You put the ice bucket there. You can put your cutting board here. You'd have your ice here. Yep. And then if you put it right next to each other, then you got more space for mixers and bottles and cups. And so you put all your alcohols and your mixers and everything here, and then do your drinks here. Oh, this is so cool. So anyway, this is the Bumper Bar. This is an unboxing of the Bumper Bar. Hope you enjoyed it. And thanks for watching. I would highly recommend getting a Bumper Bar. Again, I'm gonna probably set this up and have everything in it so that you can see what it looks like. But this is great. Thanks for watching. All right, I've got my Bumper Bar set up here. I've got it set up as a Bloody Mary bar, a wine bar. I can even make some kids' drinks where I can do some Roy Rogers. I've already made myself a nice Bloody Mary. One of the things I wanted to show you is that, when you're done with your cutting board, I found that you can store it right underneath your ice bucket here. Now you got all this extra room to make more drinks. So this is what the Bumper Bar looks like set up. You can set it up any way you want. It can also be a sandwich bar for camping. You can use it for kids for like a lemonade stand. Your imagination is the limit. All right, well, hey, thanks for watching and enjoy your Bumper Bar.